Choosing the best editor for coding depends on your personal preference and the type of programming you are doing. Here are some popular editors that programmers often use. Visual Studio Code, VS Code. VS Code is a popular, free, and open-source code editor developed by Microsoft. It offers a wide range of features such as syntax highlighting, code completion, debugging, and Git integration. It supports various programming languages, and you can install extensions for additional functionality. Sublime Text. Sublime Text is a lightweight, cross-platform code editor that offers a smooth and responsive user interface. It supports multiple cursors, split editing, and a wide range of keyboard shortcuts. It offers a high degree of customization, and you can install plugins to add additional functionality. Atom. Atom is a free and open-source code editor developed by GitHub. It offers a modern user interface, extensive customization options, and a wide range of community-contributed packages. It supports multiple panes, file system browsing, and Git integration. Vim. Vim is a highly configurable and powerful code editor that has been around for decades. It offers a modal editing interface, which means you can navigate and edit code without using the mouse. It offers a steep learning curve, but once you get used to it, you can edit code extremely fast. Emacs. Emacs is another highly customizable and powerful code editor that has been around for decades. It offers a wide range of functionality, including a built-in web browser, email client, and newsreader. Like Vim, it has a steep learning curve, but it can be highly efficient once you get used to it. Ultimately, the best editor for coding is the one that you feel most comfortable with and that fits your needs. You may want to try out a few different editors to see which one works best for you.